I'm Kaylee.
I'm Emma.
Today I'm going to show you how to do a Katniss braid, which Katniss wore in the Hunger Games, and it's basically just a Dutch braid starting at one point on the head and then going and crossing down to the other side into a side braid. Okay. So I'm going to start on the right side of her head. Well, first you need to part and start on the side with the less hair. So part your hair on the side when you're doing this. Okay, so you're gonna pick up a piece of hair near her hairline and near her part that I just made. And then for a Dutch, you're gonna take the right and cross it under the middle and take the left and cross it under the middle too. So then you're gonna pick up hair and add it to the right and cross it under the middle. And then you're going to take hair and gather it into the left piece and cross it under the middle piece. And then gather hair into the right piece and cross it under the middle. And gather hair and add it to the left piece and cross it under the middle. And gather hair into the right piece and cross it under the middle. And then, so right now you're just gonna braid it down kind of, well, towards the back of her head more, like you were doing a double French braid kind of. Okay, but then, so just continue braiding, and you want the braid to angle towards the back of her head, because then it'll be easier when we try to make it like go like this over to her other side. So just continue Dutch braiding it. And then once you get about to the middle of her ear, you want to start angling it so to go to the other side. So you just when you add hair and you make like a stitch in the braid, you just pull it to the side that you want it to go. Turn. Okay. And just continue angling it towards the other side of her head. And then once you get like past her part, then you want to start pulling hair from up here on the other side of her part and pulling it down into the braid. Okay. And then if you have bangs, you can leave them out of the braid, or you can incorporate them into the braid. But then once you get all the way around her head, you just continue braiding into a side braid all the way down.
Or you could do a side pony, but that's just another option.
Yeah. Okay, and then once you get to the end, you can take elastics like these little clear ones or colored ones if you want to, and you can just secure the hair with it. And then if you wanted to, in this braid, you could have taken this hair and tucked it behind her ear and then gotten the side braid part of it. So turn around and show them.
This is it
So
from
this
the
is
front.
from the front. And then you can see it starts up here and angles down the side of her hair. So it starts and then it angles down to a side braid. Okay, I hope you liked it. See you next video.